Hey, Phil here, and welcome back to the YouTube Masterclass and a new section of this course. This section is all about getting started with your YouTube channel. So in this section, I assume that you do not have a YouTube channel. So if you already have a YouTube channel, you might want to skip this section because it's pretty basic, but there are some lessons later on about customizing your channel, adding a channel trailer and things like that that might be interesting to you. But I assume that you haven't started a channel yet, so we're gonna walk through everything from the get-go. So let's go over to YouTube and get started. All right, so here we are on YouTube, and the first thing you'll want to do is sign in. So click the sign in button in the top right. If you already have a Google email account, then that's great, just sign in. If not, click create account. I'm gonna go ahead and create an account just so that I can start from scratch and get going as if I was completely new to YouTube. If you don't already have a Google email or a Gmail, you can create a Gmail account instead. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So for this, I'm going to do videoschoolonline1@gmail.com. All right, so now it's going to ask you to verify your account. And so you'll need to put in a phone number or your date. Some of this is optional right now, but in the future you might need to verify. All right, next you're gonna have to go through the privacy and terms and agree with those. So click I agree. And now you're should be signed in or be able to sign into YouTube. So now that I'm signed in, if I click my profile icon up here, notice that I don't have a channel yet. If I click my channel, this is going to ask me now to create my channel. So I can create a channel under my name or use a business. If you're doing it for yourself, just type in your name here. Or if you're using it for a business, click use a business or other name. So this is where you would create one for your brand name. I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to go back and I'm just going to say Phil Ebner 2 for now because I already have another channel. And then click create channel. And that's how you get started with creating a channel. So once you've done that, make sure that you are at this point here with me, and then we'll continue with the next lesson.